This is barn 1. This is the end wall of barn 1. You come round here, and this is, oops, watch I don't fall in the ditch. Oh, that immediately in front, that over there is barn 3, a little coombe which is very pretty. And here, these front gardens will be done in the next few weeks. But that's lovely barn 2, which is so pretty as well. And this is the beautiful barn 1. Tredown Barton. And if you look across here, you can see very pretty little the old dairy and the old cart house, or the cart house. It is an old cart house actually. Those lovely big openings were where they drove the carts in. And this old dairy was the milking parlour. And little coombe was like a gap between the 2 buildings, plus I think storage in parts of it. And beautiful Barton coombe had cow stalls in it, and with a storage above. And Tredown Barton was also storage and animal housing.